Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Looks like we do have some scattered rain showers moving across the Arklatex, especially if you're along I-30 in northeast Texas, maybe in McCurtain County and over into southern Arkansas. That's where we'll have a chance of seeing some rain showers this morning. At this point, don't expect really any thunderstorm activity through the first half of the day, but it will be the warm-up today that brings some additional showers and storms as we move through the afternoon. Already another one of those warm mornings as we'll start out in the upper 60s and low 70s and highs today. Kind of close to yesterday, as most of us should wind up in the low to mid 80s this afternoon. But the combination of the afternoon warm up and a little disturbance back here in Texas and Oklahoma, which you can see a little bit better on the upper level wind map. Again, high pressure over here, Florida and Georgia, and you can see what that does to the weather pattern. Clear skies out to the east here, but we have this trough of low pressure, this little wiggle in the atmosphere right here, which is triggering some of those storms in North Texas. That little wiggle gets over the Arklatex later today and kind of interacts with that warm and humid air. We are expecting some scattered, maybe even widespread thunderstorms at some point later today, but happy to say it really doesn't look like we'll see any kind of severe weather threat today, although again, a rogue storm that brings maybe some high wind not out of the question as we move through the afternoon. So here's a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. This is the HRRR model. It's the one that updates every hour, has had a pretty good handle on the rainfall for the last week or so. It does show this next round of thunderstorms popping up in the afternoon today, so it is showing again some widely scattered storms here, especially for the northern Arklatex by mid to late afternoon, and we could see some of that rain over into Shreveport definitely this afternoon and this evening. Again, doesn't look like we'll see any severe weather threat, but as always this time of the year, get those thunderstorms out there. They are pretty proficient lightning producers, so we'll be on the lookout for some lightning today. This is one other thing we'll have to watch. Some of the short-term forecast models here are showing some spots here, maybe pick up an inch or two of rain north of Interstate 30, so we'd have to watch out for that. Maybe McCurtain County over into Little River, Sevier, Howard counties, and maybe Red River County as well. Just given that we're coming off some heavy rain here, again, it's not out of the question this could trigger some very localized flooding issues of some roadways, so that's something we'll have to watch, especially for the afternoon commute today. Expect some rain to be ongoing tomorrow morning, but it's starting to look like the rain will taper through the day Wednesday. Dry day Thursday, see what that does to the temperatures, pushes us to near 90, and then we do kind of close out the week here with one more disturbance Friday into Saturday. Again, Saturday looks like we could see some widespread storms out there, so if you're planning out your Memorial Day weekend, looks to be that we will dry out a bit Sunday into next Monday, and pretty warm Memorial Day weekend as we'll have highs in the mid to upper 80s.